So, I've had enough of the politics. Let's get back to my old plumbing, shall we? Where I belong, really. Let's get to it. Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss central heating boiler noises. Whether you've got a combi boiler or a normal domestic central heating open vented boiler, they all, sometime or another, get to making a bit of a noise. Whether it's a cackling noise, a banging noise, or even a noise like this one I'll play to you now that was sent through to me the other day. Lovely noise. It's not that difficult to sort out really. Usually it means your boiler's a bit clogged up. So what we need to do is break that down. Now there's a couple of products that I really like out there, they're my favourite. They're made by Fernox, and I'll show you first of all the cleaner and then the actual boiler noise silencer. So I'll show you those now. So this first product that I really like, my favourite, it's made by Fernox, and it is a cleaner. Now I do strongly suggest you put that in your system first. This will clean away all the muck and debris. You leave it in for the set time that will be on the side of the bottle, and it will tell you how long to leave it in. Put it in your system, let it run the amount of time it says, and then drain it back out again. Once you've done that, you're ready for the next thing that's going in your system, which is this. This of course is our Fernox boiler noise silencer, and it's very good. It does reduce boiler noise, it's very good. Now I'm nothing to do with Fernox or the company, believe me, I don't do anything for them or anything. This is just my recommendation over the years. There's lots of other makes of cleaner and boiler noise silencers, but these just happen to be my favourites that I recommend. So there you are, easy to do job. I've got a video on adding the cleaner and the Fernox, and I'll put the link there for that for you to do if you haven't done it before. It's a fairly easy job. I don't want to go over that again because I've already got a video on there. So there you are, you know what to do now, don't you? Simple job, cure those terrible noises. I mean, some of those bangs and bangs you get from some boilers are horrendous. I've been in some houses and the boiler's bouncing off the wall with the noise. It's easy to do. So you know what to do, and all my videos, usual place, Derriton 33. Thanks for watching.